Wednesday the 23rd of July 2025, and this recording is more about connection. And while it's the most challenging thing for anyone who's in the spiritual holistic, it's also one of the most easiest. And the challenge is at the moment, because of what is occurring within frequencies, there is a lot of chaos, there is a lot of fabric change that does not seem at peace. Now, in terms of beloveds in their space, their personal space, there seems to be a lot of misdirection on their own part. And having just worked with some beloveds here, I have come to realize that there's a lot of that occurring. And in terms of, and I'm meeting a lot of beloveds as well who have a openness, a willingness to want to resolve something that they don't recognize. And it affects everyone in so many different ways that this is more of a sort of a sound bite, if you like, where I'm just saying something to give back some calmness to beloveds, to you guys. And that's because, you know, you might be going through something, but it's not something that is controlling you. It's something that is fragmenting you. It's something that is creating chaos within the mindset, not within the heart, but within the mindset. And what it does do in terms of connecting to the heart is it creates a disconnection. Now, it's a different type of disconnection. It's not that mind-heart disconnection. It's a disconnection with the fabric that you're present in, that now. And that's really unusual. I haven't seen that before. It's obviously our evolution, and it's certainly the manipulation aspect. There's a lot of manipulation occurring from different aspects, from different energies, from different sectors of beloveds. So